All right, in this video we are demonstrating how to calibrate a surface plate. We have a 24 by 36 plate here, and there's two phases to doing it. The first is the repeat reading using the well-named repeatometer, which is this device here. And on this device we have this drop indicator attached to the front, which I've already adjusted and set in. And we will measure locations around the plate to check for the repeat reading, local variation reading. So we're just going to start off right here and tare 0. Now I'm just going to call out the readings and how I do it in my head. -1, -2, we get +4, -2, still +4, -2, +4, -2, still +4, -2, still +4, -2. -2 still. All right, the TIR is 60 millionths. So +4 +40 -20 is 60 millionths. So that's the repeat reading. Next, I will do the actual flatness measurement once I get that set up. All right, in this video we will be demonstrating part 2 of how to calibrate a surface plate. In part 1 we did the repeatometer, and now in part 2 we will be using the electronic levels to check the flatness, the overall flatness. So we will use a ruler as a straight edge. I'll just be doing the job and talking it out as I go. We use a straight edge, and we use weights to hold the ruler straight edge in place. We have a 2-inch exclusion zone, if I can speak, around the surface plate that we typed into the software, and I also asked to put spacing of 4 inches, which means we measure every 4 inches down the line. The first step is to position these to their respective starting locations. All right, and I'm going to level the level A and then the level B. So head select A, I'm going to manually adjust this to be 0. We're going to go to B. Manually adjust this to be 0. All right, parallel. Reading taker, head select A minus B. I'm going to 0 the difference, and we have 9 readings to take. First reading, 4 inches. Second reading, 4 inches. This is measuring in arc seconds. You can see it plotting off the output of the level, the flatness. Let it settle. you want. And there's the flatness reading. And you say next path, and the software will prompt you to do another diagonal. And this is a Union Jack technique, if I'm not mistaken, that's the name. But we're going to do all around the edges, horizontals, cross, diagonal, and an X across it. So we're not going to show all of these different techniques in this video, but just to demo one movement, the next would be the next direction over. It's prompting me to do it on the computer, so I would rotate this and this, and position my straight edge where it needs to be, and get ready to do run number 2 down this way, and I would re-level each of the levels, and then index all 9 readings that it's asking for in this one. So when that's complete, the software will spit out the final overall flatness as well as a graph of the elevation, which we give to the customers as well. So that completes the calibration of the surface plate.